Hi there, students. An assortment, a noun. Assorted as an adjective, and even as a verb, to assort. Okay, an assortment is different types of things put together in one group. So I bought an assortment of vegetables. Yeah, this dish contains assorted vegetables, vegetables of different types: carrots, peas, onions, squash. Okay, so an assortment, a group together different kinds. If you go to London, you will find an assortment of people from different countries. Okay, so they are assorted, an assortment, a mixture. Okay, this is a good word, but I don't normally hear people use an assortment or assorted. Okay, assorted, consisting of various different types together. So I bought a box of assorted wines of different types. They weren't all the same, they were all different. Yeah, a collection of things of various different kinds. Okay, so there were a strange assortment of guests at the party. I bought a box of assorted chocolates, different types. John was there with an assortment of different girlfriends. Okay, so various different types. Okay, so to assort, to separate into groups according to kind, to classify. Although I would use to sort, yeah, to assort. He assorted the pencils into their different colours. I would probably use I sorted the pencils into different colour. Yeah. Okay, so to assort. I'm also thinking actually to assort with, to associate with. So if you assort with dishonest people, you will get a bad reputation. Okay, so to assort with. He assorted with a great assortment of people. Okay, so to associate with, to keep company with. When I was a kid, I used to assort with grown-ups. Okay, to spend time with, to keep company with, to hang out with. Okay, so to assort, to classify, but I would just use the verb to sort, and then to assort with, to spend time with. Okay, so an assortment, a group of different things. This box has an assortment of chocolates. There's a huge assortment of different words in this channel. Okay, okay, and it's not very well assorted. It's not very well arranged. But if you assort with native speakers, then your English is going to get much, much, much better. So, assorted, assortment, 5 in formality, use it absolutely anywhere. To assort with a kind of person, much more formal. I would give this a 6.5 or 7 in formality. To spend time with, to hang out with informally. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the French word assortir, and that itself comes from sergo, the past participle surrectus, okay, meaning to get up, to arise. Okay, so an assortment, a mixture, an assortment of different things, assorted different things. To assort, to classify into different types. To assort with, to spend time with. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Assort, assorted, assortment.